Sometimes you don't want to redact everything in a scene. You may only want to redact one specific person, object, or area. In Redactor, this is done by controlling which objects remain in your project before export. Click Add Media and upload your video. Go to Auto Detect, choose your detection types, and click Submit. Once complete, all detected objects will appear in the scene. By default, all detected objects are redacted during export. Selection does not control what gets redacted. It's used only for editing. To redact only specific objects, you need to remove the ones you don't want. Open the Objects panel or click directly in the editor. Select the object you want to keep for redaction. Right-click and choose Invert Selection. This will select all other detected objects in the scene. Press Delete or right-click and remove the selected objects. Now, only your chosen object remains in the project. Play through the video and confirm that your selected object is detected and tracked correctly. Any gaps in detection will result in unredacted frames. Click Render and Export. Choose your preferred redaction style. Click Submit to preview, then export your video. To redact only specific objects, remove everything else before exporting. Redactor applies redaction to all objects in the project, so controlling what remains gives you precise results.